How to enable fingerprint on Samsung phone. So first of all, launch settings on your Samsung devices. From here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Now, from here, go ahead and tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics on top. Now, enter the current PIN of your device that you have set. Now, after you come here, scroll down below and under the section of Biometrics, you'll see Fingerprints. Tap on it. Now, make sure you go through all these details. Then tap on Continue. After this, you would have to register your fingerprint. You can go through all these details, then tap on Register. Now, simply place your finger where it is shown. Make sure that your finger is pressed inside the circle. Continue this step until completed. With that, you will successfully be able to add fingerprint on your Samsung device. Then you can tap on Done. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.